Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Himanshi, and if you are seeing this face for the very first time, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon right next to it, so every time I upload a video you get notified. So for today's video आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि हिमांशी इतनी अनप्रेजेंटेबल और बिना मेकअप के कैसे बैठी है, तो let me clear the air by saying that कि I am going to follow the step of Shreya Jain. Yes, the OG Shreya Jain. I love her so much, and do let me know in the comment section below that you also love her or not, because if you don't love her, we cannot be friends. No, we cannot be friends. I'm just kidding, because she is the OG beauty influencer. That's what she is. Yes, she is the OG beauty influencer and I love her to the core. For this video I thought that it will be great कि अगर मैं उनका tutorial देख के उनके साथ साथ makeup करूँ. I hope I'm making sense. So without any further ado, let's just get started. So before starting the video, I want to say that कि श्रेया जैन ने जो भी अपने products use करे हैं, I don't have them, but I have alternatives. And I will use all the products that I have at my home. It's just the technique that matters, not the product, I think. And I think she will agree to me with this कि product नहीं matter करता है, techniques matter करती हैं. So for today's video, I have chosen this video of hers, and it's a very nice dewy look, and I am so craving to do that look for so long, and now is the right time that I am following her footsteps in makeup tutorial. Now let's just start with the video.
You need to moisturize. Just find a moisturizer that works for your skin type, tone, texture, and stick to it, especially if you're going to be wearing makeup, because just prep makes your makeup go on so much more smoother.
Okay, so in the first step she is telling us to moisturize, and she is using some cream, and I don't have that. So for that I'm using this Nykaa anti-aging skin potion facial oil, and I am going to take few drops of it और मैं इसको अपने palms के बीच में मसाज करूँगी, and I'm going to just tap it all over my face and neck as well. You can give yourself a good massage, but I'm not going for a massage. I'm just patting it in. And for lips also, मेरे lips बहुत ज़्यादा dry और flaky, and as I've told you in the previous my must have favorite videos that Borolin is the key. So I'm using Borolin these days, and let me just apply it on my lips because lips are chapped. और मैं 2-3 मिनट दूंगी अपने फेशियल ऑयल को भी कि हमारा स्किन जो है उसको संक इन कर ले, तो इतने हम लिप बाम लगाते हैं.
Now because I want to go for the bronze glow from within, I'm going to use the NYX.
I don't have it.
Booster. Now this is something that you need.
She is using a liquid highlighter all over her face, but I don't have a liquid highlighter. So what I'm thinking is कि to use a powder highlighter and applying it all over my face very lightly. Let's see what will happen. I know it will not work as a liquid highlighter, but try करने में क्या जाता है. Let's just get on with the video and see what the next step is.
Because that's just how I've been liking my foundations to be. So I'm going to be using the Nykaa Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation. This is in the shade 05.
So she's using Nykaa's medium coverage foundation. Obviously I don't have it, but मेरे पास उसका एक other option है, which is by Sugar Cosmetics. It's their Ace of Face foundation stick. And I'm in the shade 48 Irish.
So I've taken a little bit of it on the back of my hand. With the same brush, I'm going to start working from the centers of my face, and I'm just going to use a very little amount. I'm going to just make sure that I just blend it very nicely into the skin, and it looks like my skin. That's the goal here. Now
Oh,
again, this
oh.
foundation is a pretty lightweight foundation and it has a medium coverage.
I am done with foundation and so is she. Now let's jump on to the next step. I have one concealer and it's from Makeup Revolution and I'm in the shade C13, and for highlighting I have Maybelline Age Rewind. I am in the shade Honey 140. So let's just apply the concealer. So
To
So she
figure
applying the
out
highlight
what works for my
concealer
complexion
over
right
here.
now. So I'm just gonna apply this in the innermost corners of my eye. Yep, that has a very peach undertone, which is great if you're just
Okay,
trying to
so
hide
यहाँ
your
पे
dark
इन्होंने apply
circles. But
करा
if
है.
you're also trying to like highlight, then probably not. So I'm also gonna apply it on my
She
upper lips
applied it
where I do
over
have a lot of
here,
pigmentation.
here and on her
Right
chin.
here and on
Okay.
my chin.
So
Taking the
next
shade
up, she's
butter,
applying the
I'm just gonna
other color on
add
the
a
same
touch of
areas.
it on top of
Okay,
chai.
let me just apply it. Okay, मैंने
Just
ये
to
पहले
add a
कभी नहीं
little
किया,
of
ये दो
light
shade
to
concealer के एक साथ लगाए हैं.
my face.
But
I'm also
as
gonna
she's
add
saying
it
कि
on
यहाँ पे
everywhere
ऐसे
that I've
ऐसे,
applied
let's
the
just do that.
concealer.
Uh,
And then I'm also
concealer
gonna
over
add
here
it right here,
and here. Oh,
just
I don't
to
know.
now she's using a brush to blend all the concealer and I'm using this PAC 219 brush. So let's just
then I'm gonna start blending out. I'm gonna blend out my eyes the last. Now this concealer is it's a very gel-like concealer. It gets blended in really quickly. It's very easy to work with, non-streaky, non-heavy. It's definitely not full coverage. It is medium with the coverage, but again, that's what I'm going for. I don't want a very heavy looking base. So I'm just blending this out, and I'm also gonna blend this out just again to balance out my face a little and not make it look as bronzed as it is looking right now, because it doesn't match my chest and my neck. Ouch, that hurt. I'm gonna blend this out,
This do helps, right?
and now I'm just gonna blend my eyes out. I'm just gonna tap it into place.
And I think I'm going to continue this base.
With whatever's remaining, I'm gonna tap.
Oh,
Set
so
my
she is
under eyes in
using a
place with the
Maybelline
help of
Fit Me
Maybelline Fit Me powder. And I find
powder,
it
but I don't have it as usual. But I have Forever 52 ka banana powder, so that's what I'm going to be using today. And I'm going to take a little amount of it on this plate. And she used a small brush to just set her under eyes, and that's what I'm going to do.
up
I'm
with
going
a
to set my under
small
eyes like the
brush,
way she
and I'm
did.
just gonna set my under eyes into place before they get the time to crease up. I'm only using a very little amount of product because I still want to retain that glow, and powder just generally dulls down all of the glow. I'm also gonna apply it on around my mouth because I do tend.
Okay, so the next step is bronzing, and she's using
So I'm gonna
Huda
use Huda Beauty Tan Tour. This is in the
बहुत
shade
महंगा
tan.
सामान है.
Now I love
The
tan tour.
product that she's using
Beautiful
from Huda
product.
Beauty
I
is a
love,
cream
love this
product, और
So it
मेरे
looks
पास
really dark in
basically
there, so I'm
एक
gonna pick it up.
powder product था. So for that I have to just improvise, and मेरे को कोई lipstick use करनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि lipstick also can be a good contour stick. Lipstick that I'm using is from L18 and it is in the shade Belgian brown. और मैं इसको directly अपने face पे नहीं लगाऊंगी, but I will take some of the product on the back of my hand and this is how it looks. थोड़ा सा और कर लेते हैं इसको.
Pick it up with a brush like this, very
Okay.
gently, very gently.
Oh
I'm just gonna
my
go
God.
in
मेरे
light
को नहीं,
strokes.
my God,
Now,
सच्ची
this
में
is
मेरे को
a
नहीं पता था
self-setting
कि इतना
product. You
अच्छा
don't really
काम
need to
करता
top
है
it off with
ऐसे.
the powder. You just
Oh,
let
I
it
love
set
this.
and it sets.
See, there are new things that you're going to learn from this video. If you are a makeup addict like me, you are going to learn a lot of things from this video. And oh my god, this looks so amazing. मेरे को इतना अच्छा contour मेरा कभी नहीं हुआ था हो. Wow, I'm so in love with this technique.
Same brush, I'm also gonna go down my nose, just very roughly. Ooh, that's a lot. Just gonna adjust it with my fingers now. For my
Let's just see what's the next step because I'm very much excited और मेरे को ये बेस मेकअप बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आ रहा है तो let's see क्या next step क्या होता है. I am also
I'm
going
gonna
to apply it
on
over
the
there
highest points
above
of
my
my
bronzer.
cheeks right here, and I'm also pushing it back
Okay.
into my hairline and into my contour or bronze. From the same blush, I'm gonna pick up the highlighter
Right
from right
on
here. It's a
the
beautiful
apple of my
golden
cheeks
highlighter.
because that's
I'm gonna
where she's
apply
applying the
wherever
blush.
light hits my
Sorry,
face.
highlighter.
So this point right here, the chubbiest point of my cheeks, and then right here.
And she's applying it over here also.
This is a golden highlight, so it won't
Little
work for all
hair.
skin tones. So you have to keep that in
Chin.
mind. But currently for me,
Forehead.
it's gonna give me a beautiful glow.
Product that I have with me is from Sugar Cosmetics. Not a surprise. I have their Grand Finale Dewy Setting Mist, and
Using MAC
I'm
6 Plus
going
in the
to
rose variant, as
just
you can see.
bathe in
Very
it.
loved. So I'm just gonna go a few times over my
This
face.
feels fresh, you know.
And then I'm gonna fan it down with my
मैंने
hands.
शाल ले लिया है. So I'm
gonna
going to
quickly prime
use my
with the help of the
Maybelline
pack
Ace
and
Rewind
primer.
and
I've taken it up on a
I'm
brush,
going
just a
to
very little
prime
amount,
my
and I'm
eyes.
just gonna
मैं थोड़ा
apply it
पहले
all
भी
over
कर
my
लिया था,
eye.
but I'm going to do it properly
Also gonna
now.
take it on the lower lash
as I
line
know that
because I will be
she's
putting
going to
shadow
prime
there
her
as well.
lids. And
shadow
I'm
palette that
going
I'm
to
going to use
use
today
James
is
Charles
the
palette.
First
She's
shadow I'm gonna
using
take
some
is Story
orange
in the
color,
matte variant, which is
and
an
I
orange
also
color.
have one
I'm
orange
gonna
color
take it on
over
this Morphe brush.
here.
I have
Dip
another
it in.
came in a set.
And she's
And then I'm
applying
just
it
gonna
all
place
over
it
her
in
crease
my
area.
crease. This is gonna be my
So
warm
I'm going to
transition
do the
color
same.
because we are going for like a bronze
She's
goddess
using
look.
it
You want
all
all
over
of
her
that warm
crease only,
tones in your
not
life.
above or not.
I'm just
below.
ensuring I have a nice amount of color in there, and then I'm just gonna blend it out and buff it out.
Also
towards
try
my
this
crease.
out if
I'm also
you
extending
are
it in and
watching
out of
this
V.
video.
And because I know we have to, I'm
Because
just gonna put this on my lower lash line
I
as well.
love it.
Then
I
I'm
love
going
to do
the
makeup.
upper-
So she used a brown color and I have this color which I think suits the best, or else I can use this. I should use this
I'm
color.
gonna pick up a Ritual Matte as
And
well,
I'm
which is a
just
dark
going
brown
to
shade. I'm
take
picking it up
this
with a
color
glass
on this
brush.
flat
Again, I'm just
brush
putting it in my
and,
crease, but I want to keep it lower than the
sorry,
orange
excess,
because I want the
and I'm
brown
just
to
going to
smooth
put it
into the
over
orange. I'm
here
just
as
patting
she
the color in
told
first,
me.
and I'm also gonna put it
Crease
on my
will
lower
make
lash
that
line
That's what she
just
did,
for
lower
that
lash
added
line.
drama. And once you have
I'm going to
placed your
take
color,
the
I'm gonna go
same
back in with
brush
my
again,
orange brush.
put a
I'm
little
gonna
bit of the
blend the
product
brown and the
try to
orange
blend it
together.
in.
I'm going in windshield wiper motions because
So
Alright, then I'm
she's
gonna take
taking a
Maybelline
black
with
color,
very
and
tiny
I think
flat
I
shaded
have a
brush.
black color
And what I'm
in
gonna
here.
do is
So
I am
she's
just gonna
stamping
stamp
it
it across
like very
my
near
lash
to
line.
her lash
But I'm also
line,
gonna
and she's
blend
going
it
slightly
into
up
the
over
take it slightly
here.
higher
That's
over
what I'm
here,
going to
but then I'm
do.
gonna stamp it across my lash line. Story,
This
right
is the
here,
color
this one's
that
Story.
I
I'm
think
gonna
I
pick it up
should
with my ring
use
finger,
because it is
and I'm just gonna
somewhere
apply it
similar
all
to
over my
the
lip.
color. So I'm going to use
We
my
will be
finger
blending
as
this out.
she
This is
is
not
using
a
her
cut
finger.
crease look, but just look at how
Just
gorgeous is
stamping
that
it
look.
right over here. As she said कि cut crease नहीं होगा तो let's just stamp it over there.
My
The mascara that I have
Total
is
Temptation
from
mascara.
L'Oreal
I really like
Paris,
this one.
and
I'm
it's
just
their
gonna coat my
Super
top
Stay
and
False
bottom
Lash
lashes with
Mascara
this
to
before
prime
doing
my
the falsies
eyelashes.
I'm
I'm just
obsessed with
simply
falsies.
going
Of
to
course, keep
apply the
falsies. They are
mascara
not
as
a
she's
necessity.
doing.
I just really like how they make my eyes look.
But it is a very nice mascara. It
Also, this
lengthens
is a
your
really nice mascara. It
eyelashes
adds a lot of length
lot,
and volume to your lash.
Okay, I'm done with my lashes. It took me a lot of time and I'm saying a lot of time, so it took me a lot of time because I'm not that much good with lashes. I'm using this Maybelline ka Nude Nuance, and it is very nice color. So let's just apply it. So that's the complete look. and I'm so super proud of myself that I am able to imitate a little bit Shreya Jain. And what to say to you guys, that I love her, I adore her a lot. Please try to tag her in the comment section below, because if she'll see this video, my day is done. I literally worship her when it comes to makeup, because she is a great makeup artist. And I just love it, like how this makeup have turned out. I didn't knew that मैं इतना अच्छा कर लूँगी. My makeup skills have improved, but practice makes a person better, so you should practice. And I think I'm in love with this look. मुझे नहीं पता मैं इसको उतारूँगी कैसे, but still. With that, I'm done with this video. I hope you like this video, and if you do like this video, do comment down in the comment section below, and also give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And also hit the bell icon right next to it, so every time I upload a video you get notified. Till then, bye bye.